In 1 year, Americans will use more than 1.3 billion gallons of motor oil. With that oil, you could fill enough tanker trucks to park end-to-end from San Diego to Jacksonville. That's coast to coast. Only 10% of that used oil is reclaimed and then re-refined. That'd get you just past Yuma, Arizona. So what could happen to that other 90%? Take the oil from a single oil change. If it's disposed of improperly, it could contaminate 1 million gallons of water. That's the water needed by 50 people for an entire year. The problem multiplies. Over 350 million gallons of oil are improperly disposed of each year. The thing is, oil doesn't wear out. It doesn't go bad. It just gets dirty. A re-refining process makes it as good or better than virgin oil. That's where we come in. We collect used oil from places like this, and this, and this. Then we re-refine the used oil. The re-refining process removes impurities and depleted additives. Then we package and distribute it for use across the country. We call it Eco Ultra. Eco Ultra is better for the environment. Your used oil will be collected at your service center and will become part of the closed-loop re-refining process. It's better for our country, too. 1 barrel of collected oil creates the same amount of motor oil as 50 barrels of crude. Using Eco Ultra reduces our dependence on foreign oil. Eco Ultra meets all major North American industry standards and the warranty requirements for the majority of cars sold in North America calling for conventional engine oils. And just like other quality motor oils, it's API licensed and ILSAC approved. Eco Ultra. Good for the environment, better for our country. The best choice for your engine. Ask for it every time you have your oil changed. Want to learn more? Visit universallubes.com.